Good day, so this is Joseph R. Polito and this is how I made my animal cell. Okay, so bond paper, clays, and also my scissor and toothpick, also the cardboard. And that's all. And now I'm gonna explain to you the parts of animal cell. Now, the lysosomes is a specific type of organelle that's very acidic. So that means that it has to be protected from the rest of the inside of the cell. It's a compartment then that has a membrane around it that stores the digestive enzymes that require this acid low pH environment. Those enzymes are called hydraulic enzymes and they break down large molecules into small molecules. For example, large proteins into amino acids, or large carbohydrates into simple sugars, or large lipids into single fatty acids. And when they do that, they provide for the rest of the cell nutrients that it needs to. So, for example, if you can't do that, it can't break down large molecules into small molecules. You'll have storage of those large molecules, and this is a disease. There's also another type of lysosomes, storage disease, in which the small molecules that are produced from those large molecules can get out of the lysosome. They are stored there because the transporter for moving these small molecules out are missing genetically. And finally, one other function of the lysosome is to ingest bacteria so that the bacteria can be destroyed. So the lysosomes also provide a function against infection, and they will often engorge a bacterium and put it into lysosome for destruction. So here's an important organelle that has function against the infection and function in a way nutrition to break down large molecules into small molecules so that they can be reutilized. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a thick solution that fills each cell and it is enclosed by the cell membrane. It is mainly composed of water, salts, and proteins. In eukaryotic cell, the cytoplasm includes all of the material inside the cell and outside of the nucleus. All of the organelles in eukaryotic cell, such as the nucleus and the plasmic reticulum and the mitochondria, are located in the cytoplasm. The portion of the cytoplasm that is not contained in the organelles is called the cytosol. Although cytoplasm may appear to have no form or structure, it is actually highly organized. A framework of protein scaffolds called the cytoskeleton provide the cytoplasm and the cell with their structure. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are a part of the protein generating factory in the cell. The ribosomes itself is a two subunit structure that binds to messenger RNA, and this structure acts as a docking station for the transfer RNA that contains the amino acid that will then become part of the growing polypeptide chain, which eventually becomes the protein. Nuclear membrane. A nuclear membrane is a double membrane that encloses the cell nucleus. It serves to separate the chromosomes from the rest of the cell. The nuclear membrane includes an array of small holes or pores that permit the passage of the certain materials, such as nucleic acid and proteins, between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. Nucleus. A nucleus is a membrane-bound organelle that contains the cell's chromosomes. Pores in the nuclear membrane allow for the passage of molecules in and out of the nucleus. Nucleolus. The nucleolus is a region found within the cell nucleus that is concerned with the producing and assembling the cell's ribosomes. Following assembly, ribosomes are transported to the cell cytoplasm where they serve as the sites for protein synthesis. Golgi apparatus. A Golgi body, also known as Golgi apparatus, is a cell organelle that helps process and package proteins and lipid molecules, especially protein destined to be exported from the cell. Named after its discoverer, Camillo Golgi, the Golgi body appears as a series of stacked membranes. Vacuole. A vacuole is a membrane-bound cell organelle in animal cells. Vacuoles are generally small and help sequester waste products. In plant cell, vacuolus helps maintain water balance. Sometimes a single vacuole can take up most of the interior space of the plant cell. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are membrane-bound cell organelles, mitochondrion singular, that generate most of the chemical energy needed to power the cell's biochemical reaction. Chemical energy produced by the mitochondria is stored in a small molecule called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. Mitochondria contain their own small chromosomes, generally mitochondria, and therefore mitochondrial or DNA are inherited only from the mother. So this is my animal cell. Hope you like it. Enjoy!